Welcome to today's video on mastering Python. Fast-track your learning and unlock future career opportunities. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that is widely used in the tech industry. Learning Python quickly can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Here are some tips to help you learn Python efficiently. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with Python. Whether it's web development, data analysis, or machine learning, having a clear focus will guide your learning path. Start with the basics. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of Python, such as syntax, data types, variables, and control structures. Online tutorials, video courses, and interactive coding platforms are great resources to get started. Hands-on practice. Practice is crucial to reinforce your learning. Work on coding exercises, small projects, and challenges that apply the concepts you've learned. Building projects helps you gain practical experience and develop problem-solving skills. Join coding communities. Engage with the Python community through forums, online groups, and coding communities. Sharing your progress, asking questions, and collaborating with others can accelerate your learning and provide valuable insights. Utilize online resources. Leverage online resources such as documentation, tutorials, and Python libraries. Python has a vast ecosystem with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Django, which can enhance your productivity and expand your capabilities. Learn from real-world examples. Study and analyze existing Python projects and codebases. Understanding how experienced developers structure their code and solve problems can teach you valuable techniques and best practices. Take online courses. Consider enrolling in structured online courses or tutorials specifically designed for Python. These courses provide comprehensive learning paths, interactive exercises, and assessments to track your progress. Practice collaborative coding. Collaborate on open-source projects or participate in hackathons to gain exposure to real-world scenarios and teamwork. Collaborative coding helps you improve your code quality, learn from others, and showcase your skills. Stay up to date. Python is an evolving language with regular updates and new features. Stay updated with the latest trends, releases, and best practices by following Python blogs, attending conferences, and joining relevant communities. Now, let's explore potential career paths for Python. Web development. Python is widely used in web development frameworks like Django and Flask. With Python, you can build dynamic websites, web applications, and RESTful APIs. Data science and analytics. Python, along with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn, is extensively used in data analysis, visualization, and machine learning. Careers in data science involve working with large datasets, deriving insights, and building predictive models. Machine learning and AI. Python's simplicity and powerful libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch make it a popular choice for machine learning and artificial intelligence applications. Career paths in this domain include developing AI models, natural language processing, computer vision, and deep learning. DevOps and automation. Python is widely used for scripting and automation tasks. DevOps professionals leverage Python to automate deployments, configure infrastructure, and manage systems. Software development. Python is employed in building software applications, utilities, and tools across various industries. Python developers work on developing desktop applications, games, scientific software, and more. Cybersecurity. Python can be used for ethical hacking, vulnerability assessment, and developing security tools. Careers in cybersecurity involve securing systems, analyzing threats, and implementing security measures. Education and training. Python's beginner-friendly syntax and readability make it a popular choice for teaching programming. Many educational institutions and coding bootcamps use Python as a primary language for introductory programming courses. Remember, career paths are diverse, and Python's versatility opens doors to various opportunities. Choose a path that aligns with your interests and continue learning and practicing to sharpen your Python skills for the career you aspire to. So why wait? Start your Python journey today and shape a successful future for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.